Today is a video about mixing silicone. Step E. Take an appropriate amount of silicone. Step R. Add vulcanizing agent. Step 3. Add the color paste. Step 4. Start the silicone mixer to mixing. During the rubber mixing process, you can stop at any time to adjust the distance between the two rollers. The process is quite long, and the video will be played at a speed of 3 times. Originally, the solid silicone gel was crushed and mixed with the color paste in such a messy manner. Now, the finely ground silicone is slowly bonding together. Slowly, it turned into a row of red silicone. This is the mixed silicone. Next, put it into a cutting machine and cut it into small pieces for use.